This is a detailed breakdown of last week's trading results using our free Trend Effects AI robot. The Trend Effects AI robot generated an astonishing $1,311 profit, which is over 25% of the account's initial $4,000 deposit in just 1 week, while maintaining proper risk management. Before we continue with the video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. Let's take a look at the MetaTrader 5 trade reports to verify the consistency of the free Trend Effects AI robot. Here in the metrics summary, we recorded a gross profit of over $1,561 and a gross loss of just $250, resulting in a net profit of over $1,311 for the week. That's an impressive return for a $4,000 account, while following disciplined risk management. If you're interested in the Trend Effects AI robot, you'll be glad to know it's 100% free. Simply use the link in the pinned comment or the video description to join our Telegram channel and get access to the bot. Now, let's look at the bot's performance. It maintained an 82% win rate despite the challenging conditions in the gold market this week. The Trend Effects AI robot successfully closed 23 winning trades out of 28 total trades. It doesn't get much better than this. If you're looking for an AI-powered trading system designed to deliver consistent results, this is one worth considering. Looking at the traded symbols, the Trend Effects AI robot focused exclusively on gold XAUUSD, which belongs to the commodities asset class. Now let's review the risk profile. One of the most impressive statistics is the maximum consecutive winning streak of 18 trades, while the maximum consecutive losing streak was only 2 trades. This strong risk profile is one of the key reasons the Trend Effects AI robot has remained profitable over the long term. On this account, the Trend Effects AI robot has generated over $2,028 in profit in approximately 2 weeks on a $4,000 account, representing more than a 50% return while maintaining safe and disciplined risk management. If you're looking for a trading solution focused on consistency, this could be exactly what you need. To get access to the free Trend Effects AI robot, simply join our Telegram community using the link below. Your account will be activated, and you'll be able to start using the bot. Don't miss this opportunity. Thanks for staying until the end of this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.